Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to go over how to download and install Audacity in 2025. And there are multiple ways to do that, so I'm going to show you. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr, and here you can get a YouTube logo and banner or a modern minimalist YouTube logo and banner for your YouTube channel. But now back to the video. I'm just going to jump right in here. I'm going to type Audacity. Now make sure it's the first one here, which should be audacityteam.org, you can see. Now here on the homepage, you can see you can immediately download it right here, the latest version. Or you could actually alternatively go up here and go to downloads. As you can see here, you can actually download it for Windows, Mac and Linux. Now I have Windows, so I'm just going to click Windows here. And basically, as you can see, you have some more specific options here. So if you have something more specific that you want, you can actually select it right here and download that version, or just the latest one, which is recommended. But yeah, in most cases, it's of course way easier to go to the homepage and just click on this one. Once again, as I said, it's the latest version, which at the time of this recording is Audacity 3.7.5. I'm going to click it. As you can see, it starts here up in the right corner to download. Even give you a little step-by-step here. But it's in case you want to use the cloud, you don't have to. So I'm just going to wait until it's done here. And so as you can see, when it's done, you actually be able to go right up here. And actually what I'm going to do is do show in folder. What you can do then is actually just double click. Here, just click yes. Now, if you click one of the other installers and downloads, as I said earlier, you don't have to use MuseHub here, but you shouldn't have any problems anyway because Audacity is still free. You can see if you just go down here, you can see simply it says free here, so all you have to do is click install. Here, once again, click yes. You can do maybe later. Now, what I also wanted to mention here is you don't need to be signed in, don't worry. As you can see, I'm just signed out right now. Don't have any account. You don't need it. All you really need to do is actually just take here and you can take the free Audacity. Now, you can also, of course, take other things that are free here. Basically, just get an app on your computer. This is just a new medium to actually get the Audacity app in this case. And now, as you can see, if you go down to search and I type Audacity here, as you can see, we have it right here. Just click on it. Now, in case you already had it in the past, maybe it just asks for an app update here. So I'm just going to click accept and continue. But there you go. You don't have to click, you don't have to do that through the cloud. You don't have to. As you can see, you just have Audacity ready to go here. The last thing I do want to mention, if you have, for example, other plugins in a DAW, so in a music software, that is something that Audacity actually could start searching for when launching up for the first time. As we just did, like for example, we downloaded and installed it. Now, if you don't have any music software or any plugins related to that, it's not for you. It's really only for the people who have like a DAW, as I said, and actually just search for those plugins if you actually also want to use them within Audacity, which could be nice. Any case, guys, there you go. It's a bit more confusing than in the past, since this was through MuseHub. Now, as I said, if you go to downloads on the website, as we saw earlier, this may be possible that you can go around this. It's not really necessary. It's just an easier way to actually download and install Audacity. But as you can see, it's still fairly simple. There's really not a lot that has changed. But in any case, guys, as you can see, hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please, if you like, it would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.